how to set up and use Apple Pay on Mac. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up the system settings. Over here, scroll on the left hand side panel and you would be able to find this option of wallet and Apple Pay. Simply select it. Then you would get the option to add card, either debit card or credit card. You can also select the autofill cards over here by clicking over here, then providing your password and then clicking on this option of add card. Here you get all the options to card number, name and all sort of information that is required for you to add your card. Simply give the information and click on save, and this way you would be able to add the card to autofills, and you need to also provide the shipping address and all the other payment details related to you, and after that you would be able to save all the information that is required for you to pay the amount for any particular purchase that you make online. And after that you can just simply go to any website that supports Apple Pay and select the option, and this way a pop-up will be there that will ask you for the Touch ID that is there on your MacBook, and simply provide your password and your transaction will go through, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.